Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to try to make yakisoba. This is yakisoba noodle. So today I'm just check in my freezer. I found this. It's frozen shrimp. And this one, wood ear mushroom. Try to make yakisoba, shrimp, and Chinese cabbage, starchy sauce. Okay, this is frozen shrimp. So good quality. I'm always like keep my freezer. And we call it wood ear mushroom. It's a dry one. So I'm just soak in hot boiling water and getting more big. So okay. Yes. So I think this item you can find some Chinese food shop or Japanese food shop. Kikurage, wood ear mushroom. Yeah, it's a good item. So I'm always keep it because this one is a dry one. Keep long time, just look. So just soaking in hot boiling water, getting more big. Getting soft, can use for the sauteed item. We call it kikurage, wood ear mushroom. So using Chinese cabbage, we call hakusai, yeah, good item. And chili pepper, and ginger and garlic, chicken soup. Okay, and this is a potato starch, so mixed with water and making starchy sauce. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Chili cut in half. I'm cut like this. So good chewing texture. Not like that. Okay. Making button type. I'm gonna use 2 frying pan, 2. One of shrimp and veggie, and one for noodle. Okay. High flame. Like that. Right, Chinese cabbage. Okay, wood ear mushroom. So I had a reason. It's separate making. This one is veggie and shrimp. This one is just noodle. Because if you mix up like noodle and this item, getting noodle texture is soft. So I need more like a little bit crunchy texture, and that's why I'm just saute noodle little bit, getting brown outside and inside is soft. So I'm just a serve on the top on yakisoba. This is a kind of like my technique. It's a separate making, but you have to use two different Teflon frying pan. That's easy. Okay. Pepper. Shirodashi, white soy sauce. Chicken soup powder. Starchy sauce, maybe. Potato starch. Sesame oil. Okay, done. This is very important. Skin warming up. Serving plate. Go. Okay, let's start eat. This is my original method. I'm just using my original recipe. It's yakisoba, shrimp and Chinese cabbage, hakusai, starchy sauce with wood ear mushroom. We call it kikurage, black one. So beautiful, right? I just got like a color image. It's a good balance, Looks so delicious. いただきます。ウッディやマッシュルーム、キクラゲ。Good texture. I love it. Shrimp. Hakusai. Cut like this. It's called baton cutting style. So good. That's a noodle. Delicious. A bit crunchy outside, noodle, and inside soft, and good matching with the starchy sauce. This is so easy to make. You better try it. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good yakisoba. Bye.